Top 10 Fish Market in Bakersfield. 1. Aqua Nature Tropical Fish, 4.8, 171 reviews, Roberts LN. 2. Blue Fig Farms, 4.7, 246 reviews, Stockdale Hwy. 3. Wooddale Market, 4.7, 240 reviews, Ming Ave No. 520. 4. Haggin Oaks Farmers Market, 4.6, 331 reviews, Ming Avenue. 5. Wooddale Market, 4.6, 293 reviews, S. 6. Fresh Harvest Market, 4.6, 30 reviews, 19th Street. 7. WinCo Foods, 4.5, 2,516 reviews, Coffee Road. 8. Tecate Market, 4.5, 259 reviews, S. King Street. 9. California Fish Grill, 4.4, 567 reviews, California Avenue Suite 100. 10. Rainbow Market, 4.4, 521 reviews, Baker Street.